Hi everyone, it's Alyssa from Alyssa's Bake Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different back to school designs, or they're really good too for Teacher Appreciation Week. So for this video I did a pencil, a glue bottle, and a backpack, and I kept them very simple and easy to follow along with. Because I'm not feeling too well, I'm still under the weather, I'm not going to narrate the whole video. Instead, I have slowed down the clips so that you can really see step by step. Thanks for watching!